Okay, so now we will focus on the next, that is in the tools we have measure option. So measure option is simple tool. We'll be able to measure from one point to another. So I'll measure from this point to this point. So I'm getting the distance. So this is just for measuring. And the next option is dimensioning. For dimensioning, I'll switch it to top view. For example, I need to measure from one point to another, not horizontal direction. I will click here to here. So I'm getting the size here. So while doing this, we should always ensure that this snap option is on. So if we disable this, we will not get the snap point. So we should always enable this point. So this is that is how we measure the dimension. Now the other thing is the endpoint always comes in this square boxes. To measure the center point, when you reach the center of the carcass, for example, you'll get this triangle symbol, this symbol. So you can measure the exact half midpoint. So the same way, if you need to measure vertical, like you should select this option, this endpoint to this endpoint. So this is how we measure. And if you want to measure simultaneously different distances, you can use this option. So in this case, you come here, from here to here, then again here to here, and finally here, and just click confirm dimension. Like this, simultaneously you can measure multiple distance. Same way for vertical. So now we can see the unity is followed here is mm. So initially what will happen is your dimensions will be in centimeters. So to change, you will come here to last option, properties of dimension, come to text, and you'll change it to centimeter to mm. Then click OK. This is how we change the units. And there is an option called as automatic dimensioning. In this, click on this particular cabinet and click on this automatic dimensioning. So you'll get automatic dimensioning. So you can delete the parameters which you the dimensioning which are not required. For example, if you don't need this, select and delete like this. So this is the way we use the dimensioning. So in some cases we may need to reposition this dimensioning. So in that case, you can select this particular dimensioning. If you want to move this, go to edit dimensioning position. You can just once again position. You can reposition it according to your requirement. So this is the way we use measure and dimensioning.